Hello, students. We come to the next part of our chapter, Visualizing the Nation. How we see the nation as. Allegory. Allegory is the word given to a abstract idea. When an abstract idea, for instance, such as greed, envy, freedom, and liberty, is expressed through a person or a thing. It is known as the allegory. An allegorical story has two meanings, one literal and one symbolic. Artists in the 18th and 19th centuries found a way out by personifying a nation as a female figure. Means they saw nation as a female figure, the female form. Here we can see that the female form that was chosen to personify the nation did not stand for any particular woman in real life. Means this woman was not real, it was just the imagination of the artist. Rather, it sought to give the abstract idea of the nation a concrete form. Like we say Bharat Mata. Bharat Mata is the image of our country, and this is the image of the Marion, the female figure taken as the nation for France. During the French Revolution, artists used the female allegory to portray ideas such as liberty, justice, and the republic. Here we can see this figure painted by an artist. She was Christian Marion. Christian Marion means she was given the name Marion, a popular Christian name which underlined the idea of a people's nation. Now, after the revolution, France has become the people's nation because monarchical rule has been changed or converted in a democratic rule. Her characteristics were drawn from those of liberty and the republic. That means the characteristics of the figure was drawn from liberty, freedom, and the republic, democracy. The red cap, which was the symbol of the freedom, the tricolor of the flag, the cockade through specific objects or symbols. Now here we can see the statue of Marion. Statues of Marion were erected in public squares to remind the public of the national symbol of unity and to persuade them to identify with it. Now, Marian images were marked on coins and stamps. Here we can see the stamp of the Marian. This is about the France. This is about France. Now, here is the image of Germania. It is it is a painting. Germania became the allegory of the German nation, which wears a crown of oak leaves, as the German oak stands for heroism. It is the symbol of heroism. Means oak leaves are the symbol of heroism. And now we will know about the painting that the Germania. Philip Witt, 1848. The artist prepared this painting of Germania on a cotton banner as it was meant to hang from the ceiling of the Church of St. Paul, where the Frankfurt Parliament was convened in March 1848. We have seen in Germany, in Frankfurt, there was Parliament was convened in St. Paul Church, where women were seated as observer in the galleries, but which did not materialize into anything, but that was a big event of that time. Here, the fallen Germania Julius Hubner, 1850. Why it is fallen? Because we have seen that the Frankfurt Parliament was not successful at that time. It depicts the fallen parliament. Now, paintings of the symbols. Here we can see different symbols painted by a painter. Number 1, this is the broken chain. Number 2, this is breastplate with eagle. Here it is crown of oak leaves. Here it is a sword. Here it is a olive branch around the sword. Black, red and gold tricolor. Here it is. And rays of the sun. Here you can see the rays of the sun. Now, meaning of symbols. Broken chains. Broken chain signifies being freed. Breastplate with eagle, symbols of the German Empire, strength. Means breastplate जो हम पहनते, soldiers wear on their breast, chest. Crown of oak leaves, heroism. Crown of oak leaves signifies heroism. Sword, readiness to fight. We fight with the sword, so it symbolizes or it signifies readiness to fight. Olive branch around the sword, willingness to make peace. Though they are fighting with the sword, but they are ready to make peace if the situation arises. Black, red and gold tricolor, flag of the liberal nationalists in 1848, banned by the dukes of the German states. And at the last, it is the rays of the rising sun, beginning of a new era. सूरज का उगना नया सवेरा देता है, नया दिन देता है. तो the rays of the rising sun, it is signifying the beginning of a new era. Thank you. Have a nice day.